Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook, it's about telling the story of the food. Hey everyone, welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today I'm going to show you how to make a grain bowl or a grain salad, whatever you'd like to call it. So what we're using today is farro. So this is considered an ancient grain. It was very popular. It is still very popular in Italy, but it goes back to ancient Rome. It's similar to a bulgur wheat. It's just a different type of whole grain. So it's a great alternate for you. If it's something you've never tried, certainly give it a whirl. Very easy to make, takes 10 minutes. Same thing, very similar to rice, just water or vegetable stock. You just prepare it according to the package directions. I've got about 2 cups of it in our bowl. Now to this, I am going to add 1 whole apple that I've chopped up already. Get that in there. Also going to be adding in about 1/4 cup of pomegranate kernels. These are very in season right now, but pomegranates are in season in the wintertime, but it's so easy right now. You can get the packages of the fresh ones already pulled out of the pomegranate, or even frozen ones are just fine, which is actually what these are. Just a way to save yourself some time. Pomegranates are delicious, but sometimes it's a little time consuming to get those kernels out of the fruit. I'm also adding in 2 packed cups of baby kale, so we'll get that all in there. And the thing about a grain salad or a grain bowl in the wintertime, you know, a lot of people think, you know, salad is healthy, and certainly it is, but when we eat raw foods, it's cooling to the body. And in the wintertime, we don't necessarily want to cool down. We want to keep ourselves warm. So grain salad is great because you can eat it warm or you can eat it at room temperature. So it still kind of has that warming effect for you versus just a lettuce salad. The last thing I'm going to add in is about 1/4 cup of chopped almonds. For our dressing, I have a very basic mixture of olive oil, about 1/4 cup of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and about 1 tablespoon of honey, some salt and pepper. And I'm just getting that all mixed together here in our little measuring cup. And we're just going to pour this over everything and then mix it all together. That's it. That's all you have to do to make this delicious, warm winter salad. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget, if you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. And of course, all my recipes are at caradifalco.com. Buon appetito.